Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Greenwood Village local and long distance movers near me. You'll need the help of a professional moving company to carry out a local move. Careful planning and preparation are necessary to ensure a smooth move to Greenwood Village, Colorado. Attempting to carry out the move without the help of a professional moving company could lead to unnecessary stress and complications. With 3 Movers, you can always keep calm and let us handle all aspects of your moving process. When you choose 3 Movers as your local or long distance moving company, you can enjoy many benefits, including saving money in the long run by avoiding potential damage to your belongings. Our professional movers are trained to handle all types of items, from delicate glassware to heavy furniture, with care and expertise. We use high-quality packing materials and specialized equipment to protect your belongings during transit, reducing the risk of damage or breakage. So if you hire 3 Movers for your move, there is less risk of damaging your belongings. Therefore, you'll be spending less in general for your move. We always ensure our customers' belongings are well taken care of before, during, and after transit. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Greenwood Village moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, residential moving, military moving, furniture moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.